we have a Pathfinder 2023 making this. Definitely ourselves. That has key. Doesn't start the car, or lock it. And the only way it starts it when you put it right next to the push to start. Your car will start. So we're gonna make a new fee. And we'll have to get this. It's opened. Then go to the ACM 40 pin right here. Bypass it. And get the information. Okay, so 40 pin is connected. And this is going to be connected to already port. So the VDI. Make sure the key works. Make sure the other key works. Well, before that it wasn't working and I fixed it. Now it's working. So now the customer has 2 keys. Alright, you're going to disconnect this. Make sure all the component in the vehicle works. All the buttons in the car starts normally. This back. These backs. Then different bones.
Any other good touches?
Good. The outside. Actually, right here. Car starts normally. Everything works good. But anywhere I'm gonna go and test it with the other clip. Works. And the buttons is working. Looks like works with the extra Alpha 2. They shut it off. See, yes. Trunk works. Trunk works. I'm good. No tests. Okay. Good. Next.
You know.